birthday flash for the Nitesh, man.
Stop me that time I was passing by.
तेरा पल्लू बन जाऊंगा, मलयालम होगी तो मल्लू बन जाऊंगा, तेलुगु रहेगी तो अल्लू बन जाऊंगा, तू बनाएगी तो उल्लू बन जाऊंगा, बेबी बाबा नहीं बल्लू बन जाऊंगा, आइटम पटाने में संजू बन जाऊंगा, शादी करने बोले सल्लू बन जाऊंगा.
आजा, मैं आऊं. हाँ आजा, मैं आऊं. हाँ मैं आऊं बोल रही ना. आजा आजा माँ, जल्दी आजा. And it's raining. It was sunny day and now in Moricab it started raining. Nice. Super. Let's start the trek, boys. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. It's so hard. What's up, guys? This is Ashish Jain from Mysore Digital Marketer.
And this is Nitesh Jain from Mysore.
Edit, cut. What's up, guys? This is Ashish Jain from Digital Stick Row, a pro digital marketer, a vlogger, and a blogger. And the trek has started with Shikro and Shikri.
Yo! Ashish Jain, a digital marketer, a blogger and a vlogger!
Yeah, the plantation trek has been started. Wait.
Varieties of coffee. Arabica, Robusta, Selection 795, Kaveri, like that. So ours is Arabica.
Okay.
So once it turns red cherry in color, it usually happen in December, January, February. That's the harvesting season. So once it turns red cherry in color, we will harvest, and first process is wash. Wash the berries and then again go for the pulping. Sorry, peeling. Peeling means removing the, for example, if it's red in color, it will remove the skin. So there is a sticky kind of thing over the coating like it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So again we have to dry it, and once it dries, it's just like a paddy. There's a husk and inside there's a bean.
Correct.
So next process is removing the husk.
Yeah.
They take out the husk and inside there's a green beans. That is coffee beans.
Oh,
Nowadays
okay.
green coffee is famous. That is before roasting.
Okay.
Oh.
And then those green beans go for the roasting process.
Okay.
It turns brown in color. Then that time only you can feel the aroma. Before that there is no aroma, just a plain.
Acha.
Okay.
Okay, acha. Let's go.
Let's go!
So it's a perfect vlog. Look at Guddu, the party boy.
Yeah.
The birthday boy. Holding Marshall. Bluetooth. And this is Maru, Kamchor. Hey no, he's holding water bottles. Yeah, this is how we roll, guys. This is how we roll. So this is the Robasco coffee. It's nice and green. The estate is completely crazy. We are at Wayanad. Yeah, we are at Wayanad in Moricap Resort. So the trek part is everything is going very smooth and fine. Enjoying each and every moment. Guys, I'm coming. I'm done with the vlogging, man.
Yeah, that red in color, no.
Yeah,
that
yeah.
is maize. Inside
Okay.
this, there's a what is seed.
Okay.
That is nutmeg.
फ्लोरा पैर लगा दिया तू मेरे शूज पे फ्लोरा
ये नींबू लग रहा है मेरे को.
पैर से लगता है स्पाइसेस है
Guys, don't leave me and go, Bryce. मैं आ रहा हूँ. कैलोरीज तो इतना बर्न हो रहा है. डेली ट्रैक करना पड़ता अब. Oh, beauty. Look at the road. Party people in the house.
We can figure
Meet
it out.
Mr. Vinod, the tour guide
Yeah,
of
hi.
Shikro.
Anyone want air? AC. You want AC?
I need some AC. Mr. Vinod seems to be very friendly and kind, guiding us in each and every point of our journey. Atkan Matkan. Who said that? Atkan Matkan? Nice. Ah, this is Moricap. Yeah, this is Moricap. Yeah. This is Moricap. Here only we have come. Yeah. It's Kite's birthday. Gudu. The party is on him. The complete party is on him.
Sorry,
I hurt it myself.
you should feel pity for him.
Leg got twisted. Not able to walk.
I'm sure you lose your way.
Chabi cheeze. Hello, hold on. Recording is going on. Recording is going. The journey is completely going different.
Stopping and taking photos and all.
We are heading over the cave. What is that, sir? Ilaichi. Oh wow. Nikki chai bana rahe. Nikki chai bana.
बहुत महंगी होती है हाँ 4 रुपए की
We are at Ashraf Bhai's estate and he is sponsoring us this fruit. Don't know what fruit it is. We asked for one and he is giving 10. Am I right?
Yeah.
Am I right? Yeah.
He's telling जितना चाहिए उतना ले लो
अच्छा जितना चाहे उतना ले लो. Ashraf Bhai being so kind. Yes sir. Yes sir.
One enough.
Ready sir.
We need to cut. It's like orange. Chakota, lamba bada bada.
Dude, it smells yum.
Le coffee.
अंगड़ी पोड़ी. Yo.
You didn't catch it.
Shikri.
Yo!
Shikri.
Yo!
Come here. Guys, I'm coming. I had found something. I was just exploring that. I'm done. Looks amazing, na? Amazing. It's completely different. What is this? I guess it's worms.
And what about this?
No, algae?
How about
What is this? This is coconut.
You found something interesting.
We came down there from.
लविंग
लवंग या
सारी सासू फोन की देखी लवंग खाली गई की ले ले आदो
अच्छा
Easy, easy, easy. It's so hard. It's so hard to climb. Oof. We are completely exhausted, man. Oh, but look at the view. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Climb, climb, climb. Ah. Inner peace. Inner peace. मैं हूँ पीछे ओह 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 फक जा जा oh my goodness
बोल भाई
Mr. Vinod, you are just awesome. It doesn't have a name. We'll rename it as Shikro. Shikro's Sunset Point. Sir, the name of the hill?
This is not that the hill.
Okay, okay. It's just a drop. It doesn't have a name. We'll call it as Sunset Point of Shikro in Wayanad. Beauty. Amazing sky. People enjoying that. Guys, pause. Guys, pause.
शिक्रो वो मरील भेजे क्या बैठे
मेरी को बाद में
See the rays. Can you see the sun ray? Lovely. Look at the exposure. Bro. Amazing. Here.
एंगल ये रहना
बायला बॉटल हाथ में ले ले
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे हम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे
दौड़े धड़कने तुझसे क्या मितवा गहन से गुना तो छुपा मेरे ये बता दे तू किसी और चला है तू क्या पाया नहीं तूने क्या दूर रहा है तू So it's 8:30 in Wayanad and we are having a beautiful Sunday. We are at Mori Cap in Wayanad. We are having a personal bonfire, birthday special. So everyone are enjoying.
कनेक्ट करके जैसे तेरे को जो करना है कर, फोटो खींचना है, वीडियो खींचना है.
लाइक तुम दोनों को क्या लगता है हु लव्स मोर?
क्या एक भी आंसर दोनों का सेम आया ही नहीं है.
अभी तो 2 क्वेश्चन ही हुए हैं, आपको क्या अर्जेंट है जानने?
पता नहीं ना.
बरोबर आंसर दे रहे हैं मारो.
Angry often.
हु इज मोर रोमांटिक?
हाँ लवली रे रे. हाँ बर्थडे बाय लुक एट द बर्थडे बाय.
There are